Hey everybody, welcome back to Rise and Shine. Hey, I've got a question for you. Is the lid on this container blue? Is that true or false? Well, of course it's false. The lid is red, right? Well, today our math lesson is going to be looking at some number statements and we have to decide, is it true or false? So when we're doing these statements, something we're going to need to know today is as we look at an equation, we have to know, what does it mean to be equal? Well, equal means that they're the same, and in math that typically means that we're looking at the same amount of something. So our first statement says that 5 equals 5. Is that a true or false statement? Well, we could visually draw these statements out or use something like blocks to kind of help us. And so if I look at 5 equals 5, I'm going to create the first side, the left side, and say, well, here's 5, right? Well, does that equal 5? Well, yes. Those numbers are the same thing, right? It's the same amount. We can see it visually that 5 does equal 5. So this is a true statement. I'm going to say true. All right, now let's look at our second statement. Now it may get a little harder here. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. And in this equation, we see that on the left side, 4 plus 3, we've got to do some work here to figure this out. Is that equal to 7? Well, again, I can use blocks or draw this out, and I'm going to say, okay, well, 4, and I'm going to add 2, 3. So 4, add on 3 more, does that equal 7? Well, 4, count on 5, 6, 7, 4 plus 3 does equal 7. So we've got another true statement. So I'm going to select true. All right, we're 2 for 2 on the trues. Let's do a third one and see, are they all going to be true today? Well, our third statement says that 1 plus 2 equals 4. So let's go back to our blocks, or you could draw this on paper and say, on the left side I have 1. I'm adding 2 more as well. So if I go to combine those, and I count on from my 1, and I say, well, 2, 3, is that the same thing as 4? Well, no. 3 is not the same as 4, so 1 plus 2 does not equal 4, so this statement is false. Last one. We're going to make this a little more challenging. Our last example is 10 minus 6, and it says it equals 3. Is this a true or false statement? So this one on the left side, we see that it has subtraction. So I'm going to start off with 10. I'm going to put all my blocks together. I'm starting with 10, but I have to take away 6, subtract out 6. 2, 4, and 6. How many am I left with? I'm left with 4. So this statement is false. Thanks for joining me today, and keep learning. Be sure to join us on Rise and Shine.